Meaning of fair sex.
Fair sex.
Fair sex.
Fair sex.
Fair sex. The term fair sex is an old-fashioned and somewhat sexist way of referring to women. It implies that women are delicate and in need of protection, and that they possess a type of beauty that men do not. The phrase has fallen out of use in recent years due to its outdated and often offensive connotations. Instead, it is more common to refer to women simply as women or the female gender. Overall, using the term fair sex can be seen as disrespectful towards women and should be avoided in modern language.